Good day everyone. Our topic is square of binomial. X plus 4 squared. X times x is equal x squared. X times 4 is equal 4x. Then 4 times x is equal 4x. 4 times 4 is equal 16. Copy the x squared. Then, combine 4x plus 4x is equal 8x. Then, copy the 16. And the final answer is x squared plus 8x plus 16. Our next example is a plus b squared. A times a is equal a squared. A times b is equal ab. Then, b times a is equal ab. b times b is equal b squared. Copy the a squared, then combine the ab plus ab is equal 2ab. Then copy the b squared. The final answer is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Our next example is 5x cubed plus 3x squared. 5x cubed times 5x cubed is equal 25x to the 6th power. 5x cubed times 3x is equal 15x to the 4th power. 3x times 5x cubed is equal 15x to the 4th power. And 3x times 3x is equal 9x squared. Copy the 25x to the 6th power, then combine like terms 15x to the 4th power plus 15x to the 4th power. Equal is 30x to the 4th power. Then copy the 9x squared. The final answer is 25x to the 6th power plus 30x to the 4th power plus 9x squared.
Our next topic is the product, the sum and difference of two binomials. The first given is a plus b times a minus b. A times a equals a squared. A times negative b equals negative ab. B times a equals positive ab. B times negative b equals negative b squared. Kapag combine like terms yung magkaparehas, kakapy lang yung una. A squared, ang kakalabas din dito ay 0, kaya ikakapy na lang din yung negative b squared. Given is x plus 3 times x minus 3. X times x equals x squared. X times negative 3 equals negative 3x. 3 times x equals positive 3x. 3 times negative 3 equals negative 9. Kapag combine like terms lang yung magkaparehas at yung una ay kakapy lang, kaya ang magiging sagot ay x squared. Ang kakalabasan dito ay 0, kaya ikakapy lang yung plus, kaya magiging negative 9. The last given is 2m plus 5 times 2m minus 5. 2m times 2m equals 4m squared. 2m times negative 5 equals negative 10m. 5 times 2m equals positive 10m. 5 times negative 5 equals negative 25. Combine like terms lang itong dalawa at kakapy lang itong una. Kaya magiging final answer ay 4m squared. Magiging 0 pag pinag-combine ang dalawa. Kaya kakapy na lang yung negative 25. Yun ang magiging sagot.
Our next topic is square of a trinomial. Our given is 5x plus 6y plus 7z. I'm going to use the certain way in solving. First, going to square these three terms. 5x squared, next 6y squared, next 7z squared. Next, I'm going to twice the first term and second term. Next, I'm going to twice the first term and third term. Next, I'm going to twice the second term and third term. Next, I'm going to simplify this term. 5x squared equals 25x squared. 6y squared equals 36y squared. 7z squared equals 49z squared. Next, I'm going to multiply the 5x and 6y times 2 equals 60xy. Next, I'm going to multiply the 5x and 7z times 2 equals 70xz. Next, I'm going to multiply the 6y and 7z times 2 equals 84yz. This is the final answer of our example number 1. Our next example is 4y plus 8z plus 5 squared. Gagamitin ko ulit ang certain way in solving. Una, i-square ang 3 term. 4y squared plus 8z squared plus 5 squared. Next, going to twice the first term and second term. Next, I'm going to twice the first term and third term. Next, I'm going to twice the second term and the third term. Next, simplify this term. 4y squared equals 16y squared. 8z squared equals 64xz squared. 5 squared equals 25. And multiply the 4y and 8z times 2 equals 64yz. Multiply the 4y and 5 times 2 equals 40y. Multiply the 8z and 5 times 2 equals 80z. This is the final answer of our example number 2. Our next example is 7x minus 8y minus 5 squared. I'm going to use the certain way where I'm going to square these three terms. 7x squared minus 8y squared minus 5 squared. Next, I'm going to twice the first term and second term. Next, I'm going to twice the first term and the third term. Next, I'm going to twice the second term and the third term. Next, I'm going to simplify this whole term. 7x squared equals 49x squared. 8y squared equals 64y squared. 5 squared equals 25. And next, I'm going to multiply the 7x and 8y times 2 equals 112x y. Next, I'm going to multiply the 7x and 5 times 2 equals 70x. Next, I'm going to multiply the 8y and 5 times 2 equals 80y. This is the final answer of our example number 2.
Our next topic is cube of binomial. Our first example is x plus 5 cube. We will use the formula of a cube of a binomial, which is a plus b cube is equals to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube.
We will use the given. We will cube the first term, the a term, which is x cubed. Then we will multiply 3 and square the first term. So it will become 3x squared times 5. Next is we we will multiply the term x plus 5 into 3, then squared the last term. That's why it becomes 3x times 5 squared. Then cube the last term, which is 5. That's why it become 5 cubed. Then we will simplify the terms, and it will become x cubed. Bring down x cubed, then x squared times 5 is equals to 5x squared times 3 is equals to 15x squared. Next is x times 5 squared is equals to 3 times x is equals to 3x, then 5 squared is equals to 25. Then 5 cubed is equals to 5 times 5 is equals to 25, then 25 times 5 is equals to 125. Then simplify again the terms. X cubed, copy the x cubed, then copy the 15x squared, then 3x times 25 is equals to 75x plus 125. Just copy the 125, and this is the final answer.
So our second example is x plus a cube. So gagamitin natin ulit ang formula na a plus b cube is equals to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. So una, ang gagawin natin is i-cube natin yung x. So magiging x cube plus ita-times natin ang term sa 3 and i-squared natin ang first term. So magiging 3 times x squared times 8 plus ita-times ulit natin sa 3 ang term, then i-squared natin yung second term. So magiging 3 times x times 8 squared plus 8 cubed. Then isi-simplify na natin. So magiging x cube kasi wala naman siyang isi-simplify plus 3 times 8 equals 24, then copy the x squared plus 3x kasi 3 times x equals 3x, then 8 squared equals to 64 plus 8 cubed is equals to 512. And then isi-simplify ulit natin. So magiging x cubed plus 24x squared, then 3x times 64 equals 192x. Then copy lang the 512. So ang magiging final answer natin is x cubed plus 24x squared plus 192x plus 512. So our third example is x minus 3 cubed. So gagamitin ulit natin yung formula na a plus b cubed equals to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. So una, i-cube ulit natin yung x. So magiging x cubed. Tapos, ita-times natin ang term sa 3, then i-squared natin ang first term. So, magiging 3 times x squared plus times 3. Plus, ganun din ang gagawin natin. Ita-times natin ang term sa 3 and i-squared natin ang second term. So, magiging 3 times x times 3 squared minus 3 cubed. So, sa sunod, ang gagawin natin is kakopy lang natin yung x cubed minus 3 times 3 equals 9, then copy the x squared plus 3 times x equals 3x, then 3 squared equals 9 minus 3 times 3, 3 cubed equals to 27. Then, isi-simplify ulit natin to. So, magiging x cube minus 9x squared plus 27x minus 27. So, ito na yung final answer.